This is the state of a forgotten classic. Years of neglect have turned this iconic 1971 Datsun 240Z into a rusty shell. But today, the rescue mission begins. Default text. Our first task, a meticulous teardown. We remove the brittle plastic window and completely separate the heavy decast body from the plastic chassis and interior tub. We strip the chassis bare. Every seat, axle, and even the tiny suspension springs are carefully salvaged. These rusted parts need some serious rehabilitation. The remaining components, bumpers, doors, steering wheel, and the engine block are removed. Everything is disassembled. Now, for the real work, returning the main shell to bare metal. We strip away every trace of old paint and rust using a micro sandblaster. The shell is left raw and pitted, requiring heavy smoothing with a grinding tool to perfect the surface geometry. We apply body filler to repair all the imperfections and chips from years of abuse. The metal body is meticulously sanded until the filler blends seamlessly. Multiple coats of gray primer are applied, building a solid, flawless base coat. We finish with wet sanding to prepare the surface for a mirror finish. It's time for the signature color, a deep, lustrous black. We follow up immediately with a high-gloss clear coat to achieve that perfect showroom mirror shine. We finish the shell with bright silver marker accents for the trim. The plastic components get a heavy-duty clean. Soaking and scrubbing remove decades of grime, revealing the clean, original material underneath. We spray the interior and chassis a uniform, matte black. Crucial metal pieces, like the springs and screws, are submerged in a rust removal solution until they are restored to a factory shine. With everything clean and painted, we begin the final assembly. The shiny silver bumpers are attached, followed by the meticulous installation of the tiny light lenses and front grille. We install the new, clear windows. The restored interior goes in, complete with the detailed steering wheel. The wheels and new white wall tires are assembled, ready to roll. The moment of connection. The gleaming black body is joined to the reassembled rolling chassis and secured with the restored screws. The final touches, period-correct license plates and striping complete the transformation. The rusted ruin is reborn. It's ready for the showroom. Music builds and fades out.